Hello YouTube, it's an unboxing video for the board game Police Line. I ordered the very first copy on the Game Crafter. Oof. Wow, wow. I think I like it. Made in USA. Role-playing card game for 6 players. Let's open it. Plastic. Sorry. Goes like this. Cards are here. And then let's take this plastic and put it here. It's gonna be like a case. Blue backs, those are the personal cards, and the red backs, those are the white cards. It's how to play, rules of the game. Then here, rules are very simple and game is very interesting. It's a little bit like Mafia. 6 players, shuffle the cards, deal to 6 people, and the prosecutor is the first to play. Where is the prosecutor? Here is she. Prosecutor takes the card from here, and the rules of the game are I already uploaded the rules of the game on videos, tutorial videos. So I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Enjoy the game.